What's up, fan basic? How you guys doing today? Welcome to today's vlog. It's gonna be a special one because Uncle Juju is in the house. It's good to be home. The final part of the series in Poland is going to be coming out soon, but I feel like I needed to get a 4th of July special out before then. So Symphony's got inside access. She's been working at a fireworks stand, so she's going to be able to get us behind the scenes.
She's not in her camera outfit yet, okay?
Symphony, so what's the inside scoop on the fireworks stand? What do we need to know before we get there?
I don't know if it's gonna be there this time, but there was a cat there, and they wanted to name it Roger or Carter, but everybody said they should name it Firecracker. So.
Get the sign.
Hey, I see the.
Abram, you're in the car too.
Come on, Symphony. Show us the ropes. Symphony's going to show us the ropes here. Where do we go? Where do we stand? Where do we put our arms?
Like this.
So this is Carlos. What's up, Carlos?
What's up, man?
He's over the youth.
Oh,
He's
yeah.
the one who got Symphony the job. So hey, appreciate that, bro.
Yeah, man, absolutely.
All right, Symphony, show us what's going on in here. She's been working towards her camp trip coming up. How much did you earn?
I don't know.
Maybe Carlos knows.
It's half the cost of waves, so
really?
Yeah. So
Oh,
I
cool.
think, and then the majority of the time, what do? We play baseball. We played football.
You got $10 an hour for playing baseball?
Oh yeah.
Show us where everything's at, Symphony.
Okay, so these are the shuriken. They're like really big.
So Carlos, I need your opinion, bro. So we can't let off fireworks in the city where we're at.
Oh really?
So we're gonna do it in the pool, underwater.
Oh dude, yeah.
So what would you suggest for like underwater stuff?
Dude, honestly, bro, this is the good stuff. You light one up, and I think that it explodes.
Okay, cool. Let's get
I haven't tried it before.
So maybe.
If it works, tell me.
All right. Yeah, I'll show you the video.
Same with Navy SEAL cracker.
Really? Yeah. That's got to do good underwater.
Like it just smokes red wine. Yeah, I paid $3 for that.
Go down here, Mark.
It's one. It's okay. That's the cat.
The what? Oh, this firework.
Firecracker.
Firecracker, my bad.
I want to pet him.
Think artillery shells will work underwater?
I don't see why not.
It's like a Roman candle, and you stick it in the ground, and then it shoots up. So
You can't sell bottle rockets?
No.
Oh, no. Do you have anything that flies?
There anything that flies?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you have obviously the artillery shells.
Those,
Goes up in the sky.
What the heck is that, dude? That thing's huge.
Yeah. So this is actually a 140 shot Roman candle.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it's sick. And then we have a 660 shot Roman candle.
What the heck?
Are we going to buy one of those shooting at each other like we're in Star Wars?
Flaming balls?
Yeah.
If they don't allow fireworks in your city, I probably wouldn't use
But
that.
can't do it in
Well,
the
like I
pool?
said, we're doing it in the pool.
Just try it out. Yeah, why not?
One way to find out.
I like Carlos's style.
Oh yeah.
One way.
Well,
Certain bundles. I left these here yesterday.
Nice. Now you can bring him back.
either hold it or you can take it down on the ground.
Alright, Andrew, show me what we got, dude.
My baby, they're popping the pool. This little girl right here.
She's gonna be awesome in there. I picked up these 6 swords. They're supposedly like massive sparklers. We're gonna do these at the end in the pool. We did find some bottle rockets. The stand we went to from our church didn't sell these because supposedly their suppliers don't offer them anymore. Too dangerous, I guess.
We got whistles.
We got a little rocket ship.
Dad, we got a tank.
Yeah, we did. We got the. This is gonna be sick. Let's get outside. Come on, let's go. Bring him out, Andrew. Hurry up. Okay, let's get the show on the road.
Let's start off with these.
Start with that?
Yeah.
You want to go coolest first?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, that's a disclosure here. It seems safe because we're doing it in the pool.
So like if it like gets dangerous, the water can just put it right out.
Yeah, exactly. So it's dangerous in terms of us using the fireworks in a way that they're not meant to be used. But it's safe in the aspect that we're doing it in water. So, but anyway, don't try this at home. Leave it up to the professionals, okay? Just leave it up to one.
We should take our floaties out whenever we do these. If we fire these underwater, it'll most likely pop our floaties.
We gotta get all the floaties out of the pool so they don't pop.
Okay, Okay.
Abram's got a really good point. Get all the floaties out. You just going for a bottle rocket right away, huh?
Going for a bottle rocket right away.
Okay, what's that? Shoot it towards my GoPro, but not my face, because I'm going to step to the side of it. Alright, so those bottle rockets didn't work very well. No wonder why they're not selling them at that fireworks stand.
Really?
Artillery shells? Artillery shells? We're going to do artillery
So
shells.
how do you want to do it? Light it and just throw it in there and hold it?
I think we should first try it without that.
Drop it in, go underwater, and hopefully it'll come out.
That's the problem. I don't think it'll hit the water and stop.
I know. So it's not going to come out.
If we go down like that, it's going to
But
shoot
it
out.
looks really scary to hold it.
And then
What's
that'll
a big
probably
explosion?
explode.
I got an idea.
Everyone's got an idea.
Hey.
We could cut it off of this hook, then somehow attach this metal hook to it. Or we could just do that, yeah.
Will it sink real fast like that?
Probably. The scratch will probably
Yeah, it will.
never be able
It
to
sinks
If we can
immediately.
keep it on there.
I mean, at least go to the bottom of the pool.
All right, we'll try it. Here we go. It looks like we can do this bad boy, the missile-based 25 shot. We're going to save some of those artillery shells for nighttime. Or we can do the Navy SEAL crackers.
Yeah, I want to light one of these.
Gonna do Navy SEAL crackers?
There you go, throw them. No, not by the car, anything.
Oh!
They don't look very dangerous, so I guess I can do one.
I guess so, bro. All right, so we do these bad boys.
Yeah, okay, let's try one
No.
out.
Please, no, please, no, please.
Yeah, everybody get out of the pool.
Symphony, out of the pool.
You got to make sure it goes down because.
I know, I'm gonna go right here and just aim it down and let it go. Oh, look at the smoke.
We finally got to see a decent explosion.
So these ones just shake everything on the
It's
outside.
pretty crazy.
We can save this for the grand finale after the sparklers and everything. We can even duct tape one of our little Lego guys to it.
Yeah.
Then if it explodes,
I really think we should try these missiles. It's gonna be very.
Symphony, get out of the water.
I know.
This one is the
Are y'all
missile.
gonna actually be in the water?
Heck yeah, we are.
You gotta do what you gotta do for the shot.
No, we don't.
Oh, hey, that's a
Just clamp it in there, and then you could like.
Oh, that's a big clamper. I like it. Is that how you do it? How should I do it?
Yeah, that's fine.
Like that. Just.
Is that far enough?
Yeah.
You got it. That was pretty sick. They look like bullets underwater. No, not that one. That's a fountain.
Oh.
Let's do this color pearl.
Yes, when there was at the fireworks set, and I wanted to get them so bad.
Anything left over there? What is that?
A Liberty
Are they shots?
shoots flaming balls.
We're about to go full Liberty of Justice on you guys. You ready for this? All right, here we go. Oh.
Light it up.
This is gonna be a cool one, Sissy. Go look.
Ah, Abram, it's not a bomb.
Whoa! Red, white, blue!
America!
That's pretty cool.
Don't breathe it in!
Oh my gosh. It completely ruined our grass. Ow.
America.
We ruined our grass, babe.
We should get another one
Our
of those.
perfectly, ow. A perfectly weed-free grass. Ow.
What, Daddy, why won't we just do these babies now? I mean, you just throw them on the ground and then they boof up.
She's very
So cute. And she's so patriotic today.
I don't know what crack this
Should
ball
look
is.
at her shit.
Can I be in the pool?
Yeah, we like it. Very patriotic. Andrew, what are you doing?
Oh, this is what caught Uncle Michael's yard on fire, remember?
Whoa!
That was awesome!
Alright guys, we're gonna let off our last, what is it,
It's a black cat bottle rocket.
Alright, you guys ready for the human firecrackers? Here we go, human firecrackers.
No, Daddy, it won't. You said it won't do anything in the water. We gotta do
I
it.
think it will.
And send it to space.
It's not going to space.
I know, but it'll be like, Daddy, it'll be so cool though.
What don't you understand? It's illegal to launch firecrackers out in the city.
But you're like, let's not
Hey,
do, this
I
won't
know.
do anything in the water, so let's do it in the air.
I know, I forgot. Andrew, you want to watch this one?
Flag crackers
Yeah,
ready.
in
Dude,
the water?
go! Oh!
Now it's time for some epic sparklers in the pool at night. Oh,
Sorry about that. That's embarrassing. Didn't realize that was happening.
How's the plastic?
Go!
Mine's not lit.
Awesome! Oh yeah! Yeah!
see anybody? Where'd you guys go?
America!
It's a
America!
Oh, man.
Careful.
Thank you so much. Don't try this at home. Again, guys, we're adults here, and we're allowed to make stupid decisions. You aren't.
It's true.
Yeah, we
So,
are, dude.
You gotta wait till you're an adult to make your own stupid decisions. It was a fun day. I wish we had waited till night to do most of the things, but Andrew insisted on doing it during the day.
No, that's a lot.
Yeah, you did.
I sell it to the night.
Okay, that thing's gonna fall on me. But we'll catch you tomorrow, guys, God willing. Don't forget, he loves you, and remember to love each other.
Fireworks!